All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We got something special planned for you today. We are at the Galleria Mall. So what do we know about this mall?
It's got 13,000
over 13,000 parking spaces. So there's a ton of parking available, but get here early if you can. The mall opens at 10. Park in the red parking zone if you don't want to have to pay, because everywhere else is valet or paid parking. But if you want to be close to the front, go to the front and pay for one of those purple or orange or one of those spots. But we are in the red parking garage. It's free, and we're going inside the mall. We want to show you guys what food is available, high-end and low-end shopping, and we just talked about parking. There's just something special in here, a little ice rink. Are you gonna skate today?
I don't think I am. Save the embarrassment. But also, this is the largest mall in all of Texas.
It sure is.
So let's
you ready
go
to
check
explore?
it out.
Let's go. What you trying to get?
I don't know why we came in the entrance right where the Coach stuff is at. We probably shouldn't have done that.
She's addicted to Coach. And then first thing we see is this. I definitely came in the wrong door, but the crazy part is there's a coffee shop. Looks like a Starbucks right here in the store. Like, yeah, it's a Starbucks inside of Macy's. How crazy is that? You want some Starbucks?
I'm okay. Thank you, though.
She's okay. Let's go see what else is in this mall. I'm kind of excited. So clearly we found one of the biggest Macy's in all of Texas. My wife just pointed out that that's a 3-story Macy's over there, and I didn't realize it. So that's the lower level down there, then the mid section, and up that escalator on the inside is even more Macy's. And what's crazy is they have a lot of high-end brands in there.
Right, they have Kate Spade clothing as well as jewelry, so, and purses, of course, and shoes. But typically, I don't know Macy's to have like the high-end clothes like Kate Spade, Coach clothes inside their store.
Yeah. So we hurried up and ran out of there. So I don't know if that's high-end. They're high-end brands, but right now we're headed toward. I mean, as you can see, there's a 𝐬𝐿 and an Urban Outfitters right over here.
They even have a Tiffany's.
A Doc Martens, which is one of our favorite brands. We both have some Doc Martens. Right over there is a 𝐟𝐸𝐵𝐿. But I'm going to Nordstrom. You ready?
Yeah.
I just want to go in there and see what it's like. All right, guys. So I got a little distracted by shoes in Forum by Giorgio's, but now we actually in Nordstrom. And this place is wide open, not a whole lot of people in here. So we're just gonna look around right quick.
Let's go to Hill House.
Hill House, hey. Do you care to go in Spencer's? You already went in Nordstrom's. What was that like? What do you think about Nordstrom's?
I like the clothes they have in there. It sets apart from the like regular clothes you see people in every day to like a little bit higher class.
Yeah. I don't know. Nordstrom seems right now, for now, a little bit out of our range that we typically tend to spend in. We can afford it, but we'd be buying one clothing item out of there
Right.
instead of multiple. So give us a couple months, maybe by the end of the year, Nordstrom's will be our next elevated experience because we're working on something. Let's see what else is in here.
Oh, they got 𝐃𝐶BY. I didn't know that 𝐃𝐶BY still existed, but they got one right here.
Yeah, TCBY. Look over my shoulders, guys. It's a Annie's, Auntie Anne's, and my wife loves Auntie Anne's. I'm surprised we made it past that location without purchasing something, because she loves that stuff.
Yes, I do.
You going to TCBY?
I want to, yes.
Okay.
I just hope we don't pass by a
You want to keep going down that way?
cookie company. Yes.
If we do pass a cookie company, we may have to come back a little bit later.
We may
Come
just
back
have
and
to
get you
skip it.
a cookie at a different time, right? So
I'll save it for my birthday.
so tell them what it is.
So over here to our right, there's some balconies coming out of the West End rooms. And so the West End is right next to the Galleria, sorry. And it looks like, actually, those are office buildings.
I'm over here, over this side. Fossil, Karma, Luck. They got, so that looks like Mediterranean style jewelry and clothing. G-Star is more urban type gear. Steve Madden, everybody knows what that is. Which store are you going into?
The Karma Luck.
Huh?
Karma Luck.
Okay.
Because you know how much I love jewelry.
So, are you going in there?
Where?
Karma Luck?
Yes.
On the way back, maybe?
Yes.
Okay, because it don't look like you're going in there. So guys, I think we found the part of the mall that everybody kind of trips on. Is one of the key ingredients is the architecture in this mall, the way that it's designed and the multiple levels. But look at this rooftop. Look how cool that rooftop is. And then when you look down, there's 2 more levels going down right there. Dolce and Gabbana, guys, for all of those who can afford to shop in that store. Are you there yet?
I'm almost there, yeah.
Almost there,
Yeah.
Almost there.
Gucci.
Gucci. Is that, so that's the way right there? Oh no. So here's the Gucci store, guys. Look at the entrance. It's like, it's like monolithic. Balmain, so that's a pretty high-end brand right there.
Of course.
So,
Ooh, I want that.
so that's Balmain back there, guys. For those of you that can afford to hit Balmain, Elisabetta, Amiri. So I think we pretty well covered the fact that there are some high-end brands in this mall for sure. There's a cheesecake factory right down this hallway. And then on the other side, so what's crazy is all of these are high-end brands on this side, but then there are lots of middle of the way brands across the walk. But there's a Balenciaga, Celine, and Christian Louboutin down there. Dior.
Oh, those are soap.
Oh, snacks! Look at the snacks.
No, those are soap.
Oh, soap that look.
You can
Wow. So of course it's soap that looks like a snack. Look at this. This is how these young dudes dress nowadays. That's actually kind of cool right there. Pants are a little tight, but
I like those.
guys, there's a Chanel store right over there. Valentino. There's Tiffany & Co. down there. Fendi, Jimmy Choo right over there. So all you gotta do is pick. Oh, are you going to Tiffany? Are you going to Tiffany?
Yes, I am.
I guess I'm following you to Tiffany. Is that where we're going?
That's where we're going. So you can have some birthday ideas.
What's in Tiffany that you want?
Want everything, please?
One of everything?
I want the plateware. I want jewelry.
Oh, I guess we're really
everything.
going in. It looks like a bank vault.
You
Let
better
me
shut
turn this
that
off. So guys, there's a place down there called 𝐿𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐿, and the food just kind of rotates around on a conveyor belt down there. So let me go down and see if I can get a closer look. You about ready for some lunch?
Yeah.
All right, let's go see if we can figure out where to get some lunch, because this store is huge. Here's a Dolce. Oh, these are the shoes you were talking about. Some Dolce shoes. Look at those with the bling all on top right there. We just window shopping right now. Tory Burch. Those are those sandals that people stuff their feet into just to have them on. I've seen women whose feet look like hot dog sausages stuffed in those Tory Burch sandals just to say they had some Tory Burch sandals on. But anyway.
Yeah, that's not nice.
Here we come into the food court. We're gonna get us some lunch. All right, guys, so I can see right off the top, it's a lot of Chinese or Asian style food. Chinese, 𝐬𝐿𝐫𝐿, some Charlie steaks, some Sbarro, Burger King down there. So, you got any idea what you want to get?
I'm not sure yet.
Yeah, you are sure. I see it over there.
What?
You going to Chick-fil-A, aren't you?
I don't know.
Where are you going?
I'm not sure.
So guys, we ended up getting lunch from 𝐬𝐿𝐫𝐿 over there. Pretty good deal, 2 meats and a side. And the food tastes pretty good, so we already sampled it. We're gonna eat lunch, explore a little bit more, because we have a third level, a lower level to go to, and then we're gonna head out of this mall. But anyway, let's get some lunch. To the lower level of the mall. We are right here at the ice rink.
Just in time.
Oh, the Zamboni is coming out.
Wheels, babe.
Right. So, guys, it's pretty easy to tell the difference in the levels of the mall. It's pretty well laid out. So, certain shoppers you may not encounter unless they're just looking around. But even though this mall can be very busy at times, you can still have exclusive shopping experiences depending on which store you go into. There are some very, very high-end stores here with security, well-dressed suit and tie kind of security, but security nonetheless. So your shopping experience can still be elevated even though when you walk back out in the middle of the mall, it's very busy. So I'm gonna say that this is still a really good shopping experience, because I hate to be in crowded places. That's why we came early. But I've seen this mall packed out. And now I know it's safe to shop here. There was a question online if you were safe, physically safe in the parking lot, because there's been some riffraff, some things on the news, but they've increased security around the mall. There's more armed guards and just people watching, volunteers. This place is covered. And like we said, there's 13,000 parking spaces plus. So I think you can still have a good time here. Yeah. And there's still good food choices, because we didn't realize there's Sultan of Pepper and some more Sugar Factory and some other stuff down here on this opposite end away from the other food court. So what do you think?
I had fun.
It has been fun. So I think it's time to head home. You ready to get out of here?
We got another stop.
We got one more stop. We got one more stop. There's something very close to this, just within walking distance of this mall. That's one of the largest attractions in all of Houston. We're gonna take you right outside the mall and show you this. Let's go. All right, guys, so I wanted to show you the water wall here in Houston.
But it's closed. It
is closed. So if you read online, it says, please note the water wall will be down for maintenance for 2 weeks beginning Monday, April 6th to Sunday, April 19th. We apologize for the inconvenience. So I'm apologizing to you guys for inconveniencing you, but I will add some video footage and pictures of what this thing looks like when it's up and running. You have to see it for yourself. If you end up in Houston, visit the Galleria Mall, visit the water wall. It's right next door. Don't wear yourself out in the mall so you have enough energy to come over here. I recommend going to the mall first. What you think?
Yeah, and then you can stay at the Westin, and you can just take the elevator down and right into the mall.
If I would have thought of that, we would have stayed at the Westin as well when we used to come down here to visit and just pop right into the mall. That's a great idea. And the Westin looks really cool and it's very convenient. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed the mall. Second level of the mall is where all the cool stores are if you can afford to shop at those places. Plenty of good food choices, plenty of places to park, and the ice rink was super cool, and of course the water wall is cool. So what do you think? What kind of grade would you give the Galleria Mall overall?
I would give it a 9.
A 9?
Clean.
Yeah. I'd give it a 9. I'd give it a 9.
Yeah.
9.5. I give it a 9.5 because I think it's a very, very nice mall.
Yeah.
So anyway, I think we're gonna give our bed a 9.5, 10 because we're gonna go take a nap. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.